continue on the response to environmental stress. Environmental stress have potentially adverse effect on plant survival, plant growth and reproduction. And it also have devastating impact on the crop yields in agriculture. The first environmental stress is drought. During drought, plants respond to water deficit by reducing transpiration process. So what these plants do, they will, the roots will go deeper, go deeper in order to look for water. The second environmental stress is flooding. So the waterlogged soil, it causes lack air spaces to provide the oxygen. So this oxygen is very important for cellular respiration in roots. So the oxygen deprivation will stimulate the production of ethylene hormone, and this ethylene will lead to the apoptosis. Apoptosis is the cell death. So what happens when the cell death? Enzymatic destruction of cells. The cell death will be destroyed by enzymes, and this destruction process will create some air tubes. Air tubes we call as snorkels. So this snorkel will provide oxygen to submerged root. So this is an adaptation for the plant when they facing flooding. The third is salt stress. Salt stress when there is too much salinity in the soil. So the plant responds to salt stress by producing compatible solutes. Compatible solutes means solutes that can tolerate at high concentration, which keep the water potential of cells more negative than that of the soil solution. So when the salt stress, so this is a plant. So this is the soil. So now the soil contains too much of salt. In a normal process, the water from the plant will go out. Because in normal condition, the water potential inside the plant is positive compared to outside, compared to in the soil. So in order to prevent water loss to the soil, what this plant do, they produce some solutes, some compatible solutes, which keep the water potential inside the cell more negative compared to the soil, so that no water will be moved out from the plant to the soil. So that is adaptation of plant when they facing salt stress. The fourth is heat stress. So heat is very synonym in enzyme denature. So enzymes is a protein. So the temperature must not reach 40 Celsius in order for the enzymes to function. So in order for plant to adapt to this change, plant have heat shock protein. So this heat shock protein, they will help plant survive the heat stress by protecting molecules from denaturation. The last is cold stress. Alter solute transport. So when plant are faced or the environment is in cold, so this plant respond by altering the lipid composition of the membrane to maintain the fluidity of the membrane. So this is one response of plants towards cold, and they also increase level of solutes like sugar in the cell. So this sugar will help some frost tolerant to avoid freezing. In order to avoid freezing, the plant will alter their lipid composition and also increase the level of solutes, normally sugar, so that they can avoid freezing. That's all for chapter 13. We already finished all the chapters. I hope every one of you will revise using lecture notes and also using the video that I already published in my YouTube channel. Any question regarding to our topic, our topic from topic 7, 8, 9, 10 until 13, you may ask in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.